So what happens when 25 coaches from all over the India comes at one place and stays for 3 days of mastermind? Welcome to STC United Mastermind, which was held in Mumbai last week, where breakthroughs happened, business was transformed, and lot of memories were created. You are about to witness the high energy, the strategies for building the business, and the real moments that we captured in this mastermind. So stay till the end and watch this vlog.
You're new, they're just comparing. You're new, how to deliver. That is the part.
See, one of our competitors charges 50,000 rupees for the same business planning that we give. Why did you not choose him? Right? So it's not about the pricing game or what they have to mention or give and all those things. It's about who you are. See, coaching business is all about building your brand. If people see that you have a good purpose, they see your deals are better than others. If you have a greater authority than them, then they will join you. And it's also about
What is happening is that they're just taking social media page. It's having so many testimonials.
right.
Now I'm just building.
Yeah, right.
So the trust factor.
So what do you think? How many fertility coaches might be there in India? Still, rank the number.
1,000.
1,000. But no, like I don't believe in accountability, coach. See, you are the sole owner of this business, and you are saying to me that I need someone to help me stay consistent in my business. How really that sounds, right? But I still understand that you have your priorities, you have your distractions, you have your family. It sometimes happens कि नहीं हो पाता आपसे. But that accountability should be there in only problems that you're facing. Like equals to 5 होता है, ठीक है? मतलब आपने बोला कि 4 है, मतलब आपके पापा ने आपको चाटा मार दिया, ये 5 होता है. तो आपको मोर देन कैलकुलेशन ना आपके फीलिंग को ले जाओ कि पापा ने मारा, पापा ने चिल्लाया, मेरे 5 है, तो पापा बोले तो सही होगा, right? But
That's the point.
yeah,
Because sometimes ऐसा होता है ना कि you look up to somebody who is really at a very good position. And वो आपको ऐसा कोई negative feedback दे देते हैं, so you get stuck over there. यार इतने अच्छे person ने, इतने admirable person ने ऐसा बोल दिया, अब क्या करें? You know, what is it? You know, so then that point starts. But why like you feeling good attached?
right? So note it down. Then like commit fully to this task. We want you all to complete the task at the given time only. If not, then it's your loss. You have to understand that, right?
And guys, one more thing during these 2 days, ask questions, okay? Don't be afraid of anything. Even in between session, if I'm asking you that if you have any question, raise the hand, ask the question. Because what is that? मैं तो आंसर करूंगा ही, बट तुम में से ना कुछ कुछ लोग अपने अपने एरिया में एक्सपर्ट्स हो.
Should be complementing each other. There should be one guy who has that vision, who has that wishes कि ये करना है, वो करना है. And then another person should be working on the executions. यार भाई ने बोला तो बोला, भाई ने बोला करेगा तो करेगा. So that's how it should be. Business. If you are not consistent, you can't build your business, right? Then you use any strategy. If it's my strategy or some coach who is greater than me, like you use any strategy, nothing will work if you are not consistent. So like today, let's decide one thing, that hereafter we are not going to give this reason कि we couldn't do it because ये आ गया, वो आ गया, ये आ गया. You have to cut your distractions out. If you want to grow in your business, you will have to prioritize your business. Your business should be the number one priority, and then after that your family comes, then your friends come, and all of those other things, right? So your business should be your first priority, and you will have to cut off all the distractions. And if you can't, I can't tell you. You are. right? That should be there first. Because like you, there are hundreds of coaches, right? Who all are life coaches over here? See, your competition, right? So you'll have to stand out from the market, and to do that, you'll have to build your authority first. And to build that authority, you'll have to maybe work for free, maybe you'll have to work for less money, but you'll have to first work with a set of people so that these people understand what kind of coaching you do, how your coaching is, like all those things, and then you will start getting testimonials from them. Those testimonials will build. I should get that. The thing is, when you start taking action, you optimize the process, right? You will optimize yourself. Okay? So it's a basically long-term gain. You don't have to be perfect in everything. Okay? Any work, though it be content, though it be generating leads, though it be talking to clients. Customer over here, they were facing a problem while replying to the client. ठीक है? तो they were like कि अरे अगर मेरा reply इसको पसंद नहीं आया तो, बट आप अगर रिप्लाई ही नहीं करोगे तो आगे कैसे बढ़ेगा? तो भले पसंद ना आने दो, बट एटलीस्ट यू रिप्लाई टू देम, right? Then you will get to see कि यार क्या प्रॉब्लम है क्या नहीं, right? So you have to take imperfect actions in every possible way, and imperfect actions लेते लेते ही you will grow ahead. ठीक है? So that is the major thing.
Okay. Yeah, I want to it. And that's it done. I can get over my problem. That's it. Just show them the 3 steps. You this step, and this step. And now this is how I help my clients. वहां से value part start करो. Don't give them the how part. That this is what you have to do. पता them बोलना ये है कि this is how I help my clients. My club clients come to me. First I train upon this. Then you will get this. Then you will get this. Basically, you're just pitching them. Sales ही चल रहा है ऐसा समझो. Directly.
And why do excel? Allow any stress, any worriness that you have, just melt it. Just let it go. Just relax your body from head to your neck, to shoulders.
Even if the content goes viral, you attract random people who are not that great quality leads, right? They are just random people जो ऐसे टाइम पास के लिए इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल करते हैं, right? They are not your actual target audience, right? It happens sometimes. Some months you may get clients, some months there is nothing at all. पूरा मतलब there is no, you can't predict the business when you are doing it organically. Okay? Though organic marketing is very great to create the foundations and it's a long term gain, but still, we are over here to make money a bit faster, right? So it takes a lot of time to build, which can be multiple months or years, and you have to keep on doing the content generation. And as we all know that we are business owners over here and not content creators, so it's important for us to have the time for the business. We have to work on the business, not in the business, right? Or let's suppose we are going to do the graphic testing. So all those things would be done by us. You don't need to get involved over there. So creating the ad copies. So as I said, you don't know copywriting. I know it, right? So let me do my job, right? So I do the copywriting part, the graphic designing part, all those things me and my team would be getting over there. Again, the personalized guidance in brainstorming to optimize your ads. So basically, I myself will run your ads and will check your ads are working good or not every single day.
saying यहाँ इस पे ये hook रखेंगे इसका स्क्रिप्ट ऐसे रखेंगे इसका कॉल टू एक्शन ऐसे रखेंगे ये और बेटर हो सकता है इसको this is going to be that and this will be literally every single week either me or Shubham yeah Shubham will be Shubham का काम अलग होगा मेरा काम अलग होगा that's why it's fighting so 1 week I'll be meeting you 1 week Shubham will be meeting yeah brainstorming the hook ideas reels carousel script anything you want to come up with I'll be helping you with that personally help you optimize your hooks personalized one-on-one reels, B-rolls, carousel, story views में अभी भी तुम सबके लिए कर रहा हूँ. But this is going to be like I will be sitting with you and telling you how we can get better. into reels, carousels, whatever it is, and how we can build a better brand. Yeah, personally review all of your lead magnets as well. The content that you're going to post to promote your training video. मैं बोला alternate days में alternate daily भी content post करना है. वो भी क्या post करना है, that also I will be guiding you.
Might be having the links, you can book the call.
Yeah.
And in the tab you can add for the one.
Very good. So, open one is subject. What are you going to include that for you?
तो बेसिकली आज जो ये जो 2 दिन हमने जो पूरा फनल बताया आपको,
वो मैं क्या करूँगी?
हाँ?
मतलब जो 2 दिन आपको बताया वो हमारे पास ही करवा
वो हम करेंगे।
देखो अब हमको निकालना पड़ेगा
हाँ।
तो पोस्टली हमको सोशल मीडिया कौन मैनेज करेगा
सोशल मीडिया आप ही करोगे. The portfolio element is just the ads. ठीक है. सोशल मीडिया ऑडिट हम करेंगे. Like every single script, every single week का आपका जो content plan है, everything will be audited by us. And हम आपको
Designing your post and everything. Designing services उतना ही है.
23 people, right? And out of this 23 people, some people are achievers, right? They have achieved something in their business, right? So why not celebrate it? So the award recognition ceremony. See, these awards are for the monetary achievements that you have done, right? But don't feel that way कि अगर मैंने monetary achievement नहीं किया तो मैंने कुछ achievement नहीं किया, right? My logic of achievements are very clear कि if I know A and tomorrow I learn A B, so that means I have achieved something, right? So you all are learning day by day. Monetary achievement hoga, that is why we have joined this program and we are doing this coaching business. But don't get disheartened today. आपको ये लगना चाहिए कि यार अगले मास्टरमाइंड में I should be the one lifting the middle वाला got it.
Yeah. तो मिडिल वन और मतलब वो और बड़ा
Vision out there. So that was a glimpse of the mastermind that we did last week with all the coaches. And if you want to be part of our family, then I am giving you my Instagram link below. Just go there and DM me that you wanna become the part of this family, and I will see you, I'll talk to you, and we'll check if we are right fit for each other, and we'll go ahead about it. Till then, hit the like, subscribe my channel, and share this video to all of your coaches friends. See you in the next video.